Very good morning, my dear students. Last class we solved exercise 4.2 type 1 type 2 methods. Today class I am going to explain type 3 and type 4. Now we will see type 3. Here they given in textbook question number 10. Left side x plus 4 2x 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 x plus 4 2x 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 x plus 4 equal to 5x plus 4 4 minus x whole square. LHS you have to take, RHS you have to prove that. Type 3 here, I will give one method. That method only you can follow, you will get answer. What is the method means here? You can apply R1 implies R1 plus R2 plus R3. If R1 implies R1 plus R2 plus R3, first row all elements are equal means you can apply the next operations here. C2 implies C2 minus C1, C3 implies C3 minus C1. Once again, R1 implies R1 plus R2 plus R3. In first row, all elements are equal. All elements are equal means that element common element you can take out the common. Next you will get 1 1 1. For 1 1 1 you can apply C2 implies C2 minus C1. C3 implies C3 minus C1. Or for R we can apply one more. C1 implies here. C1 implies C1 plus C2 plus C3. Here operations are R2 implies R2 minus R1. R3 implies R3 minus R1. If you are applying this method means you can apply these two operations. If you satisfying C1 implies C1 plus C2 plus C3. In first column all elements are equal means you can apply that operation. R2 implies R2 minus R1. R3 implies R3 minus R1. If we are given any problem, first to identify type 1, type 2, type 3. Type 2 means yesterday given method. C2 implies C3 minus C2 minus C1. C3 implies C3 minus C1. Or R2 implies R2 minus R1. R3 implies R3 minus 1. Type 2 method. Now we can go for type 3 here. First given problem you have to identify whether the type 2 or type 3. Clear? Now type 3 here. R1 implies R1 plus R2 plus R3. In first row all elements are equal, you have to apply this operation. Otherwise, in first column C1 implies C1 plus C2 plus C3. In first column all elements are equal. In first column, here you have to apply these two operations. We will check here. Once this is the type 2 or type 3 problem. Type 1. First we can take LHS. What is LHS here? Given x plus 4. Here 2x, 2x. Next. 2x x plus 4 here 2x 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 here x plus 4. Now we can check in this both which operation will exist. Here see R1 plus R2 plus R3. R1 here x plus 4 plus 2x 3x plus 4 plus 2x 5x plus 4. Again 2x plus x plus 4 3x plus 4 plus 2x 5x plus 4 2x plus 2x 4x plus x plus 4 5x plus 4. R1 implies R1 plus R2 plus R3 existing. When R1 implies R1 plus R2 plus R3 existing means you can apply operation. C2 implies C2 minus C1. C3 implies C1 minus C1. Now LHS I am taking, RHS I am taking. Here I am writing R1 implies R1 plus R2 plus R3. R1 implies R1 plus R2 plus R3. Here you have to add all rows and you can write in the form. Here first row you have to write. Add all terms. First row 2x plus 2x 4x plus x 5x plus 4. First row you will get 5x plus 4. Next 2x plus x plus 4 3x plus 4 plus 2x. Here you will get 5x plus 4. Next 2x plus 2x 4x plus x. Here 5x plus 4. Second row, third row, no changes. Same thing you have to write here. 2x, x plus 4, here 2x. Now 2x, here 2x, x plus 4. Now you can see here first row, 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4 is common. You take out the common here. Taking 5x plus 4 common from row 1. if you take common 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4 common, remaining 1, 1, 1. Now here 2x, x plus 4, here 2x, here 2x, 2x, here x plus 4. See here, first operation applied. Next operation, R1 implies R1 plus R2 plus R3 exists. C2 implies C2 minus C1. C3 implies C3 minus C1. Here I am applying operations remaining. C2 implies C2 minus C1 and C3 implies C3 minus C1. Now here first common element 5x plus 4. After that here C1 column 1 no changes, 1 2x, here 2x. Next C2 minus C1, second column minus first column, 1 minus 1, here 1 minus 1. Next x plus 4 minus 2x. Next here 2x minus 2x. Next here 1 minus 1, 2x minus 2x, here x plus 4 minus 2x. Here see applied operation. C2 implies C2 minus C1. C2 minus C1 you have to write in the place of C2, column 2. Next one C3 implies C3 minus C1. C3 minus C1 you have to write in the place of column 3. Now 5x plus 4 into here 1, 2x, here 2x. Next one column 2, 1 minus 1, 0. 2x plus 4 minus 2x. That is here 4 minus x you can write. X minus 2x is minus x. 2x minus 2x 0. Next here 1 minus 1 0. 2x minus 2 0. X minus 2x here 4 minus x. Clear that one? Now you can see 5x plus 4. When first row 2 elements are 0. First row 2 elements are 0 means here you have to write first in 1. Here you have to write these two, you have to do cross multiplication. 4 minus x into 4 minus x. Here 4 minus x whole square minus 0 into 0 0. Clear that one? Here 1 into you have to write 1 into 4 minus x into 4 minus x. 4 minus x whole square minus 0 into 0. Now 5x minus 4 into 4 minus x whole square. 1 into 4 minus x into 4 minus x square. Check RHS. 5. Here see left side 5x plus 4 is there. Here first row 2 elements are 0. When 2 elements are 0 here 1 you have to write, after that you have to multiply 4 minus x into 4 minus x. 4 minus x whole square minus 0 into 0 0. Next last one here 5x plus 4 into here 1 into 4 minus x square whole square. 4 minus x whole square. Check here RHS 5x plus 4 4 minus x whole square. This is the RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Next, question number 10. In second question we will see. Next, question number 10. In that one, sub question second one. Here see, given question y plus k y plus k y plus k equal to k square 3y plus k. Here you apply the check that one these both conditions. Which condition is satisfied? R1 implies R1 plus R2 plus R3. First row all elements are same order. First you are writing here LHS I am writing here y plus k y here y plus k here y plus k. Now we can check here. First one R1 implies R1 plus R2 plus R3. Y plus k plus y, 2y plus k plus y, 3y plus k. Here also check y plus k, 2y plus k plus y, 3y plus k, y plus y, 2y plus y plus k, 3y plus k. They exist here. Now I am writing here R1 implies R1 plus R2 plus R3. And one more thing here, check here column also y plus k, y plus y, 3y plus k. Same thing here y plus k, y, 3y plus k, y plus y plus y plus k. Column also if we add all columns here you get same. You can apply second method also, you can apply, you get same answer. Here I am writing first method. R1 implies R1 plus R2 plus R3. Here you can write R1 plus R2 plus R3. If you add 3 rows, y plus k plus y plus y. Here you can get 3y plus k. Y plus k, 2y plus k plus y. Here 3y plus k. Again y plus y, 2y plus y plus k. Here 3y plus k. Second row no changes. Y plus k. Here y plus k. Now first row 3y plus k is the common. Taking 3y plus k common from R1. 3y plus k I am taking common in R1. Here 1 y plus k. Here y plus y. Here y plus k. Now first row here existing. Next operations here. C2 implies C2 minus C1, comma C3 implies C3 minus C1. Now I am writing here 3y plus k. Here first column no changes. 1 y. Next second column C2 minus C1. 1 minus 1. Here y plus k minus y. Next one y minus y. Next C3 minus C1. 1 minus 1. Here y minus y. Here y plus k minus y. Now 3y plus k. Here 1 y 1 minus 1 0. Here plus y minus y cancel k. Y minus y 0. Next one 0. Here 0. Plus y minus y cancel. Here k. Now 3y plus k. Check here first row 2 elements are 0. When first row 2 elements are 0 here, what you have to do first? 1 multiply these two, cross multiplication. K into k. K square minus 0 into 0. First again, first row 2 elements are 0 means first element you have write 1. After that k into k. K square minus 0 into 0. Now you will get 3y plus k into k square. Check RHS here. K square into 3y plus k. Here 3y plus k into k square. Here RHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. You got answer? Next question number 11 we'll see. Next question number 11. Here two questions they given. First one we will see. Here they given that of a minus b minus c, 2a 2b, b minus c minus a 2b, 2c c minus a minus b equal to a plus b plus c whole cube. First you have to check that method problem is applicable for type 3 or not. Type 3 means what is the type 3? R1 implies R1 plus R2 plus R3. Here add this one a minus b minus c plus 2b plus 2c. First row will get a plus b plus c will get. Next one here you can see add again 2a plus b minus c minus c minus c. Again 2c here. If we add first row what will get? A plus b plus c will get. Same thing here 2a plus 2b plus ca minus a minus b. Here we will get a plus b plus c will get. Now first row all elements are equal. When all elements are equal you can apply C2 implies C2 minus C1. C3 implies C3 minus C1 you can apply. Clear that one? Same method. Previous what I solved 10 question. In the question number 10 2 questions I solved. This is the same method, you try that one. Next question number 11 in the sub question 2 you can see. Here they given x plus y plus 2z. X, y, z, y plus z 2x, y, z, x, z plus x plus 2y. Equal to they are asking 2 of x plus y plus z whole square. Now we check here. First R1 implies R1 plus R2 plus R3. Condition exists or not? X plus y plus 2z. If you add here plus z, 3z plus z. First here, first element will get x plus y plus 3, 4 z you will get. Next here x, here you will get y plus z plus 4h. First row it will be not equal. Not equal means you have to check here C1 implies C1 plus C2 plus C3. Here you can add first column, second column, third column, x plus y plus 2z. If you add this one, 2x plus y plus 2z. If you add this one, you will get 2x plus 2y plus 2z. Same thing here. If you add all terms here, you get column C2 element here 2x plus 2y plus 2z. Now you have to apply here second method. Now first LHS will take LHS x plus y plus 2z. Here x y next z y plus z plus 2x. Here y next z x here z plus x plus 2y. Here r1 implies r1 plus r2 plus r3 not existing. Now we have to apply here c1 implies c1 plus c2 plus c3. Here you have to add column 1, column 2, column 3. Where you have to, after adding the elements, you have to write in the place of column 1. If you add here, you will get first column x plus y plus 2z plus x 2x plus y 2y. Here you will get 2x plus 2y plus 2z. Next, here if you add z plus here z 2z, here y plus y 2y, same 2x plus 2y plus 2z. Here third element also 2x plus 2y plus 2z. Remaining column 2, column 3 no changes. Here you have to write x y plus z plus 2x. Next x here y z plus x plus 2y. Now see here column 1 all elements are equal. If all elements are equal means here you have to write here taking 2x plus 2y plus 2z common from what you write C1. C1 means column 1. Now here I am taking 2x plus 2y plus 2z. If you want you can take out the common here. 2 you can take out the common. Remaining here 1 x y first row. Next row 1 y plus z plus 2x. Here y. Next third row 1 x here z plus x plus 2y. Now see here C1 implies C1 plus C2 plus C3. What is the remaining two operations? R2 implies R2 minus R1, R3 implies R3 minus R1. Here you have to apply operations. R2 implies R2 minus R1 and R3 implies here R3 minus R1. Now here 2 I am taking common, x plus y plus z. Here first row no changes, 1 x here y. Next here R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1 here y plus z plus 2x minus x. Here y minus y. Here R2 second row minus first row. Next R3 minus R1, third row minus here first row, 1 minus 1. Next x minus x. Next here z plus x plus 2y minus y. Now we'll see here 2 times of x plus y plus z. 2 times of x plus y plus z. First row 1 x here y. Next 1 minus 1 0. 2x minus x plus x. Here you write x plus y plus z, y minus y 0. Next here 1 minus 1 0. Here x minus x 0. Here 2y minus y, x plus y plus z. See here column also. first column having two elements are 0. When two elements are first row or first column two elements are 0 means 1 into, here you have to multiply these two, x plus y plus z into x plus y plus z whole square minus 0 into 0 you have to multiply. Now 2 into x plus y plus z, here 1 into, first you have to multiply these two, x plus y plus z means x plus y plus z whole square minus 0 into 0. Now here 2 times of x plus y plus z into here x plus y plus z whole square. Now we multiply 2 into here x plus y plus z whole cube. Check RHS. Here 2 into x plus y plus z, here whole cube. They given a whole square, here whole cube. Here same LHS I am taking, RHS I proved. Therefore here LHS equal to RHS. See, this is the type 3 method, very very important. Here type 3 method, you have to apply these two operations, you can solve any problem. Clear? First one is R1 implies R1 plus R2 plus R3. Next you have to apply two operations, C2 implies C2 minus C1. Next C3 implies C3 minus C1. Or C1 implies C1 plus C2 plus C3. And here exist means R2 implies R2 minus R1, R3 implies R3 minus R1. Now type 3 completed. Next we will solve type 4. Next type 4. Up to now we have solved type 1, type 2, type 3. Type 1, type 2, type 3. If not exist any problem means you have to follow the type 4. Type 4 here LHS they given, RHS they given. Here RHS 1 minus x cube. Using RHS you have to solve this problem. Type 4. Here what is RHS? 1 minus x cube. You can try any operation, you have to get RHS value 1 minus x cube. Whatever the right side terms are there, you have to use any operation, you have to get right side term. First we will see here LHS what they given. LHS here they given 1 x square, here x square 1 x square 1 they given. Here this is the LHS. Now RHS, what is the 1 minus x cube? You want to get RHS is 1 minus x cube. You can use any operation and you have to get 1 minus x cube. Now what are the operations you have to check? Here see, I want right side 1 minus x cube. Here I am writing C2 implies C2 minus x into C1. Property 7. C2 implies C2 minus x into C1. Here x minus x into 1, x minus x. Here 1 minus x and x square, x cube you will get. X square minus x and x square cancel. Same thing here, C3 implies C3 minus x into C2. Apply these two operations and check here. Here I am applying two operations. First one, first column no changes. 1 x square x. Second column C2 minus, C2 is here x minus x into C1. C1 is here 1. Next 1 minus x into here x square. Here I am writing C1 elements. Next here x square minus x into here x. C2 completed. Next C3. C3 implies C3 minus x into C2. What is C3 here? X square minus x into x. Next x minus x into here 1. Next 1 minus x into here x square. Clear? Now I wrote here C2 implies C2 minus x into C1. 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 Here C3 implies C3 minus x into C2. C3 minus here x into C2. C3 minus x into C2. C3 minus x into C2. Now calculate here 1 x square x. Here x minus x 0. 1 minus x into x square. 1 minus x cube. X square x into x square, x square minus x square 0. Now x square x into x square here 0. X into x 0. 1 minus here x cube. Got 1 minus x cube you got. That's why here I applied these two operations. Now Here, first row having two elements are 0. When first row having two elements are 0 means you know the solving method. What is the method here? First you have to write first element 1. Next, here cross multiplication 1 minus x cube into 1 minus x cube. Here 1 minus x cube into 1 minus x cube minus here second element 0 into 0. Here 0 means 0 0. Next, here 1 minus x cube into 1 minus x cube. Here you got 1 minus x cube here whole square. 1 minus x cube whole square into 1 means 1 only. Here check RHS. 1 minus x cube equal 1 minus x cube whole square. Here 1 minus x cube whole square. Therefore, this is the RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Understand? Here, listen, type 4 is little get confusion and very difficult method in type 4. Type 1, type 2, type 3. If it will not exist any problem, you have to apply type 4. Type 4, direct method is not there. What is the given right side value? Using that right side value, you have to apply that your own operations and you have to simplify that one. Next, question number 13 we will see. Next, question number 13. Take LHS. LHS here. 1 plus a square minus b square 2ab here 2b 2ab 1 minus a square plus b square minus 2a here minus 2b 2a 1 minus a square minus b square. Type 4 method is check RHS 1 plus a square plus b square is there. Using that one any operation not solve RHS value how to get. Here see 1 plus a square minus b square is there. Here 1 plus a square plus b square. If we add multiply b here and do subtraction for here 1 plus a square plus b square will get. Here minus b square here plus 2b square. We will add that one will get 1 plus a square plus b square will get. Here I am writing C1 implies C1 minus b into here C3. Once again C1 implies C1 minus b into C3. Next C2 implies C2 plus here a into C3. Here see 1 minus a square plus b square. If you add plus 2 square you will get 1 plus a square b square. Here 2a is there. For this one I am multiplying a. Here you will get 2a square plus minus a square. We will get 1 plus a square plus b square will get. If you apply these two operations, you will get RHS value. Now we will see. Apply these two operations. First row C1 1 plus a square minus b square minus b multiply here C3 minus here b multiply minus 2. Next 2ab here minus b into 2a. Next one 2b minus here b into 1 minus a square minus b square. Now C2 column 2ab plus a into minus 2b. Next 1 minus a square plus b square plus a into here 2a. Next minus 2a plus a into 1 minus a square minus b square. Now third column minus 2b 2a 1 minus a square minus b square. Clear that one? Here applied operations. C1 first column C1 implies C1 minus b into C3. Second column C2 implies C2 plus a C3. Now you can simplify here. Now see here 1 plus a square minus b square. This one if you simplify minus b square minus into minus plus 2b square. Here you will get 1 plus a square plus b square you will get. Once again 1 plus a square minus b square minus into minus plus 2b square. 2b square minus b square is 1 plus b square. Next here 2ab minus 2ab. 2ab minus 2ab cancel you will get 0. Next here 2b minus b you multiply. Here you will get 2b minus b minus a square minus into minus plus a square b here plus b cube minus and multiply with this one. Next second plus term minus term cancel, we will get here 0 here minus a square plus 2a square, here you will get 1 plus a square plus b square will get. Next here minus 2a plus a multiply a minus a cube minus a into b cube. Third column here minus 2b 2a 1 minus a square minus b square. Here you can see 2b minus b. 2b minus b you can write b. Here b you can take out the common here b always, you will get here 1 plus a square plus b square. Now first column 1 plus a square plus b square. Next here 0. Here I am taking common b common. If you take b common, you will get 1 plus a square plus b square you will get. First column. Second column here 0. Next 1 plus a square plus b square. Next here you will get minus a, take out the common. When if you take minus a common here, you will get 1 plus a square plus b square. Next third row minus 2b, third column minus 2b 2a, here 1 minus a square minus b square. Here say I wrote here column 1, column 2, column 3. Here you can check here column 1. Here 1 plus a square plus b square 0, 2b minus b, b is there. B I am taking common here 1 plus a square plus b square. Here you can check minus 2a plus a, minus a will be there, minus a cube, minus a into b square. Here you take out the minus a common. When if you take minus a common here, 1 plus a square plus b square. Now check here, first column if you see 1 plus a square plus b square, 1 plus a square plus b square common term. Take out the common first column 1 plus a square plus b square. Second column if you see 1 plus a square plus b square, 1 plus a square plus b square common. Now here I am writing, taking 1 plus a square plus b square common from here column 1. Next taking 1 plus a square plus b square common from here column 2. Now if you take out the common, what will you get? First column 1 plus a square plus b square common. Again one more, second column 1 plus a square plus b square. Now what is the remaining here? 1 0 b. Next 0 1 minus a. Next here minus 2b, here 2a, 1 minus a square minus b square. Here you can see 1 is element is there, here 0. Here also 0 is there. Now you can find out column 1 determinant. Here 1 plus a square plus b square, 1 plus a square plus b square. Two are same, you can write 1 plus a square plus b square whole square. Now here I am solving that value. That value using here expanding along the column. Here I am solving expanding the along with column 1. First I am writing sign plus 1. After that here first row first column you close, remaining 1 into 1 minus a square into b square. 1 minus a square minus b square. Minus here already 2a into a minus 2a square. Next 0. Second element 0. Here minus 0. If you multiply any term here, you get 0. That's why I am not written here. Next b plus b into here 0 minus of minus 2b. Here you have to close third row first column 0 into 2a 0 minus 1 into minus 2b minus 2b. Now we will write here 1 plus a square plus b square. Here multiply 1 minus a square minus b square, minus into minus plus 2a square. Here minus into 0, anything means we'll get 0 only. Plus 0 I'm written. Plus b into here minus into minus plus 2b into b. You can write directly here 2b square you can write. Again here 1 plus a square plus b square. Now you can check here minus a square plus 2a square means plus a square minus b square here plus 2b square plus b square. Now you can write here 1 plus a square plus b square. Now here whole square 2 times 1 plus a square plus b square whole square 1 plus a square plus b square into you can write what will get 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube. Check RHS. What is RHS? 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube. Here also 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube. This is the RHS value. Therefore, here you got LHS equal to RHS. Understand? Here see one more step here. Expanding here. If you want, you can write here. This is expanding along column 1. Here I am expanding along the column 1. First one here, first element A11 1. Sign here plus 1 into here you have to multiply 1 into 1 minus a square minus b square. You get 1 minus a square minus b square. Minus here 2a into minus a minus 2a square. Next second element here A21 second row first column. Second row first column symbol is here, sign is minus, element is 0. If 0 and if you write all elements also you get 0. That's why not written here. Next last one A31 third row first column. Sign is here plus, element is b. Here you have to remove first row, you have to remove first column, third row. First column, third row is remove here 0 into 2 is 0 minus 1 into minus 2b minus into minus here plus. Now here check that 1 minus a square minus b square minus into minus plus 2a square. Here 0 b into minus plus 2b into b 2b square. Once again check the simplification, you will understand better. Clear? Next question number 14. Next question number 14. Here see LHS they given. What is LHS? You will write LHS. I am writing a square plus 1 AB here AC. Next AB b square plus 1 here BC. Next CA CB here C square plus 1. RHS 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. You have to prove that. See here, you right side value you can use, you can write the operations. Now see here I am trying here operations here A square plus 1. Here AB, AC is there. Here AB, B square plus 1. BC, CA, CB, C square plus 1 is there. First here I am writing taking A common from R1. From R1 I am taking here A common. Same thing here taking B common from R2. Next, taking C common from R3. First row I am taking common A, second row I am taking common B, third row I am taking common C. Now take out the common here, first row A, second row B, third row C. Next, first row if you take A common here, what is remaining? A plus 1 by A. Here A square means 2 terms. Here 2 times A is there, 1 time take common. Here A is not there, that's why 1 by A. Here A I take common means A square plus 1 you can write A plus 1 by A. Next here A common remaining element here B. Here A common remaining element is here C. Next second row B common. How what remaining elements here? A here B plus 1 by B. Next here B common C. Next one CA. C I am taking common A, here B, here C plus 1 by C. See here maximum student they will get confusion here. How it came that a square? A square plus 1. If you take a common, how you will get a plus 1 by a? Here see, a is not there. One place I am writing here. A by a you can write. A cancel, you can write 1 by a. One only answer. Here I am taking a common. If we take a common here, a common I am taking. What will write here? A plus a I am taking common 1 by a. Okay, here a cancel, you can write this is a square plus 1 only. Now a I am writing outside, remaining term is 1 plus a, 1 by a. I hope you understand that. Next, here see, continuation. Now here I want to get 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. But here a square, b square terms are not there. That's why here what I am doing here, now a I am multiplying column 1, b I am multiplying column 2, c I am multiplying column 3. Now here a multiplying here, which one? Column 1. B multiplying column 2. C multiplying column 3. Here understand? Here I am taking common from R1. Here I am taking common from here R2. B I am taking common from R2. C I am common taking from R3. Now here A, here C, A plus 1 by A. Here also A, here also A. A I am multiplying here first column. B multiplying second column. C multiplying column 3. Now multiply, what will get? If A multiply here first column 1, what will get? A into A square plus A into 1 by A cancel 1. Now A into A multiply A square, here A square. Next B multiply second column B square plus 1, here B square. Next one C square plus 1. Now you can check right side what they are asking. 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Here see, a square plus 1 is there, b square is there, c square is there. Now we can write here c1 implies c1 plus c2 plus c3. All columns you can add in first column. Here you can add, what you get? 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Here also 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Column 2 no changes. Here b square plus 1, here b square. Here c square plus 1. Now what is the common? Taking 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square common from column 1. Now if you take column 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. If you take out the common remaining here 1. Now b square, here c square. B square plus 1 c square. Here b square c square plus 1. Now here 1. This is type 2 method. When you know type 2 method, what are the operations here? First columns are all 1. First columns are 1 means here, what is the operation? R2 implies R2 minus R1 and R3 implies R3 minus R1. Now you will get 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square into, here you will get first row no changes, 1, here b square, here c square. Now second row R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1 0, b square plus 1 minus b square 1, c square minus c square 0. Next here 1, R3 implies R3 minus R1, 1 minus 1 0, b square minus b square 0. Now c square plus 1 minus c square 1. Now here column 1, 2 elements are 0. When 2 elements are 0 here, you can get, what you get? 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Find out here, this is expanding column 1. Expanding column 1, if you simplify here, what will get? 1 into, here cross out 1 minus 0. Now you will get answer here 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Check RHS what they are given. 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Here what you got? 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Here this is the type 4. This one type 4 problems. You have to check RHS. Based upon RHS, you have to apply the operations. Next we will see question number 15. Next question number 15. If A equal to A of ij 3 by 3 matrix is given, they are asking that of Ka equal to option A k that A, option B k square that A, option C k cube that A, option D 3k into that A. Previous I given in exercise 4.1 I given a note point. What is the note point here? A matrix having order n, then that of A equal to here k power n into that A. If A matrix having order A of ij n order n by n. A matrix having here n order means then that of A equal to k power n into that A. N value means order of the matrix. Here what is order of the matrix here? N value given n equal to 3. Now we can apply this formula that of k equal to k cube into that A. K cube into that is option C. This is the next question number 16. Which of the following is a correct? Determinant is a square matrix. Determinant is a number associated to a matrix. Determinant is a number associated to a square matrix. None of these. Determinant definition. Determinant is a number associated with a square matrix. Here, what is the option? C is the option C. Is the answer. Now we completed exercise 4.2 problems. Okay, already I thought exercise 4.2 total 4 types I solved. Type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4. In exam point of view, type 2 and type 3 are very important. I hope you all understood exercise 4.2. Next class I will explain area of triangle. Thank you.